You are watching a tutorial on the Connecting Alabama Broadband Demand Surveys. From the alabamadashboard.org homepage, navigate to the left side menu bar and click on Broadband Demand Surveys. The purpose of these surveys is to gather current broadband usage data as well as what would be used if available. This information will help Connecting Alabama regional planning teams to determine where service gaps exist, where demand is the greatest, and other ways to better increase broadband usage. Elements of this survey will be plotted on the Connecting Alabama demand map as well. Click on the type of demand you would like to register. We'll start with residents. All of the questions are in bold, and if it has an asterisk next to it, then it must be answered to move on to the next page. Does your current location have internet, and if so, is it adequate? Then why? If you neglected to fill in a necessary field, this message at the top will alert you. Then select Next Page. This page gathers data about your current connection. If you selected that you do not have internet, you will not be taken to this page. Select your current internet connection, devices that access it, along with the current speed you are receiving. When a multiple choice question has square checkboxes rather than round radio buttons, more than one selection can be made. If you don't know your current connection speed or are curious about what you're currently receiving, click here to run a speed test and follow the instructions in this pop-up. Now, how much you're paying for your current service, who uses the internet the most, and lastly, a couple about telecommuting and online classes. This last page has similar questions, but addresses the services you would like to have. If you stated that your connection was adequate on the first page, then you will not be shown this page. Lastly, fill in your contact info. Note that a dash is required after the third and sixth digit of the phone field. When you click Submit, you will be taken to this page here, showing that your information has been received. The other surveys are similar, but include options and questions specific to those fields. This has been a tutorial on how to use the Connecting Alabama demand surveys.